What's up guys? For today's video, I will show you the waste oil incinerator, its parts, and how to fire sludge or waste oil in the incinerator. Like and subscribe!
Waste oil incinerator is a furnace for burning waste. On board a ship, incinerator is used to burn waste oil or sludge and solid waste like oily rags and papers. Here are the parts of the waste oil incinerator: the control panel, main burner, ignition burner or pilot burner, sight hole, flame eye, solenoid valves, burner and furnace air damper, valves for waste oil and diesel oil, three-way return valve, strainer, exhaust fan, thermocouple, dilution chamber and damper, charging door, sight hole, and exhaust out going to funnel. Also the waste oil service tank. For more information about why sludge goes here, please see my previous video, the sludge system. The waste oil service tank have manhole, level gauge, suction valve, which is quick closing valve, drain valve, return valve, and the steam line having inlet and outlet valve. And let's see the inside of waste oil service tank. And before firing, be sure that the high temperature alarm sounded, meaning the water is evaporated in the sludge by heating it with steam. And also in incinerator, make sure that we cleaned and inspected the main burner, the strainer, solenoid valves, the furnace chamber, thermocouple, and the refractory is good. After confirming that it is cleaned and all in good condition, let's start firing sludge in the waste oil incinerator. Before we continue, like and subscribe. Thank you. Number 1. Open the diesel oil valve for ignition or pilot burner. Number 2, open the diesel oil valve for main burner. Number 3, open the flow control valve. Number 4, open the quick valve. Then, at the control panel, number 5, switch the selector switch of exhaust gas fan to start. Number 6, turn on the igniter. Number 7, turn on the main burner. This time, the incinerator started. Then, wait for the temperature to rise up to 600 to 700 degrees Celsius with the diesel oil in the line for preheating purposes. Number 8, open the waste oil service tank suction valve going to incinerator. This valve is a quick closing valve. In case of fire, this can be shut by air. Number 9, open the return valve of waste oil service tank. Then number 10, change over the valves by opening the waste oil inlet valve to main burner and close the diesel oil inlet valve to the main burner. And the diesel oil valve for pilot burner remains open until stopping. Number 11, also change over the three-way valve on return line going to waste oil service tank. And number 12 and last, when the waste oil burning possible lights on, turn the waste oil temperature detect to waste oil active. Then let's monitor the incinerator temperature and alarms. If high temperature alarm sounded, you can adjust at the flow oil control valve by closing it gradually or open slowly the burner air damper, the upper portion only. The lower portion is for furnace air damper and can be used for burning solid waste. And for misfire or ignition pressure low alarm, maybe you need to clean the suction strainer, the main burner, or the sludge in the waste oil service tank is more water and not totally evaporated. For stopping waste oil incinerator and testing of its safety devices, that's our next video. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching.